This Diamond Realty and Associates property video is presented by Randi Richardson. Welcome home. This charming 3-bedroom 2.5-bath townhome located in Town South Estates is ready for you. Neutral paint to complement the gorgeous wood-look tile flooring in this open floor plan. Enjoy your morning coffee on your upstairs balcony looking over your fenced-in patio area. You will have 2 assigned, covered parking spaces and HOA dues to cover use of the pool, tennis courts, and property lawn and structure maintenance. New roof provided by HOA 2 years ago. You will not want to miss out. Be sure to schedule your private showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Randi Richardson at 318-746-0011.